Okay, so sorry about the delay on this one, but let's see if we can get this figured out. So this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to create your first blog post, your About Me blog post. Once you have your login credentials, it should be pretty straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and just log in here. And when you do, you'll arrive at this page here, and your browser might look a little bit different, but you shouldn't have to worry about too much of this menu stuff. Everything that you're going to be doing is going to be happening in the posts menu, just about. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the posts menu and you're going to add a new post. All right, and then that takes you to your post editor environment here, and it's pretty straightforward. So I've got in Apple Pages, I've got a document here with my profile in it. So I'm just going to select that all and Command C to copy it, then come back here and just do a Command V to paste it, right? And then I'm going to click here to add a title. And we're going to say a man for all seasons. Okay, just like that. All right. And then you can see that everything is looking pretty normal. We do need to add our photo though, right? So the way we're going to do that, you could add a separate box up here for a photo, but we're going to do it a little bit differently, and we're going to use a featured image down here, and that way it'll show up in the preview item. So if we click on the featured image and then click on set featured image, I'm going to go ahead and upload a file, and I have this mugshot of me. And you can see all of the other stuff that's been uploaded during the class here. So when that's there, I'm going to just not worry about any of this stuff. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit set featured image, right? And then that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward, right? In terms of building our post. This is a pretty simple post, right? So, but there are two things that we need to do before we publish, and that's to categorize them. And categorizing them is making sure that they show up in the proper directories, right? So if we click on the category up here, you're going to have, for every assignment you do, you're going to have to categorize it in two categories. One is going to be your name. You've got your own name category that I've already built for you, so you don't have to create a new category. And then there's an assignment category, right? And so this is About Me Fall 22, right? So that's the assignment. And then in here, I'm going to search for my name. And here we can see that this is Michael Donlin. And so I'm going to categorize it for that one too, right? So I've got those two categories selected. And then I'm just going to go ahead and publish it. All right. And you have to kind of click on that twice. And then there you go. You should be good to go. Now, if you view the post, it'll take you out to just sort of a generic page, and you can see this, wonderfully attractive photograph of me, right? And then you've got our text down here. We don't have to worry about the formatting or anything like that. But you'll see also in the menu structure up here that if we look at the About Me Fall 22, because I had the category entered in there that I show up on that page, and it looks like another student has already completed that. And then also if I go over here to Fall 2022 students and come down to Michael Donlin, that's also in my category here too, right? So it's pretty straightforward. We're going to do a little bit more complicated stuff as the semester goes along, but this post should be pretty simple. Try to keep your photos square, And that should be pretty much it. So feel free to reach out to me anytime with questions or comments. I'll try to respond as fast as possible. Thanks a lot, guys.